Friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you less important updates about Tizen coin. Its price prediction this year mega billion because friends you see last 24 hours 72% pump in last 30 days almost 200% pump in this coin. That's why this coin is very amazing but it's still 90% down than its all-time high. Right now, Degen is 90% down than its all-time high. And biggest friends, right now, entire crypto market is again bullish. Meme coins are pumping here. So, is it possible that we can see Degen new all-time high in short term? And already listed in Coinbase, so is it possible that we can see its listing on Binance too or not? So it is be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete here. Region current price $2.0069 and for 60 chart is looking good. Okay, coin initially launched here and make all-time high price around $2.06. After that a dump, and right now it's looking that we can see a massive breakout in this coin. You can see last 30 days performance is amazing. $163 million market cap. The market cap is no doubt good. $288 million trading volume. Trading volume is also increased right now. This is also bullish. 36 billion supply, 23 billion in circulation. Base ecosystem coin. You can see friends, base ecosystem coin, smart contract platform, layer 3, a meme coin, a base meme coin, and fractional system also ecosystem. We are almost, you can see friends, 90% down than its all-time high. They were 1 year ago. Okay, 90% is still down than its all-time high. As I already told you that no doubt this coin is 71% pump in last 24 hours, but is still we are almost 90% down than its all-time high. 31,000% pump than its all-time low. They were also 1 year ago. Coin already killed 3 zeros since its launching. So amazing performance from this coin. Coinbase is listed. Gate.io has listed. KuCoin has already listed this coin. Bybit has listed this coin. CoinX has already listed this coin. So if you not have KuCoin and CoinX account yet, I already provide you both central exchange links in description. You can check out both central exchanges where you can buy all newly launched meme coins and other crypto before listing on major central exchanges. For further details, you can also check out their website, friends. You can see Region Shop Live, Meme with the Dream. And it's a base ecosystem coin. After that, you can see launch on Solana, Ethereum, and Arbitrum also. 88,000 and 7K holders for this coin. 15 million transaction for this coin. So this is good. Fully diluted valuation is 261.5 million. This is good, really, friends. You can see feature DFs in payout and DGen radio and NFT. So this is good, and you can check out all further details here. So no doubt friends, website is looking good. So now my price prediction for region in short term, definitely friends, this coin can pump more here because right now BTC entire crypto market is pumping. So maybe it's possible that we can see in short term its market cap up to $250 million here. Okay, right now 160 million, but maybe it's possible that we can see region market cap around $250 million here, or maybe up to $3 million here, $300 million here. Because friends, if crypto market with no dump more here and we can see massive rally in BTC in the meme coins, then definitely it's possible that region can pump more here. Friends, now my price prediction about region is that has its current market $163 million, but friends, in short term maybe it's possible that we can see this coin up to 250 or maybe $300 million market cap here. Maybe we can expect at least 2x profit from this coin in short term, but definitely in long term, because this is layer 3 chain that is new category facing its first bull run, mega bull run this year, and base ecosystem meme coin. So it's maybe there are chances that we can see smart cap from just 163 million to up to maybe 10 to 20 billion dollars in this year mega bullion. In long term, definitely 10 to 20 billion, but in short term we can see smart cap up to 300 million. There will be maybe up to 2x here. What's your price prediction about this coin? You can must comment down below.